Cloud SOAR is Sumo Logic's cloud orchestration automation response system. With any security system, choosing the appropriate key performance indicators, or KPIs, can be crucial to understanding and monitoring your cybersecurity health. In this video, we'll outline how to use Cloud SOAR's dashboards and reports to choose and display your organization's vital KPIs. Cloud SOAR dashboards are created through a combination of chart, table, or graph controls called widgets that create an easy at-a-glance overview of your system health and operational activities. You can access your current dashboard view by logging into Cloud SOAR and clicking Dashboard in the upper left. Each widget on the dashboard has controls in the upper right to display configuration info about the widget and refresh the data as needed. The cog icon allows you to edit all widget settings, such as title, time range, and auto refresh time. Most widgets have different display options, such as bar chart, pie chart, or table form. Most widgets also support drilling down into the incident details by clicking on a widget graphic to show the underlying data and related incidents. To customize your dashboard display, click Customize in the upper menu. Widgets are assigned to screen sections, top, bottom, left, and right. Click on a section to see the current widgets in that section. You can drag widget entries to change the order of display in your dashboard. To add a new widget, click on the plus icon on the desired section. Click plus again on the list to select a widget to add. You can configure all the widgets from here. For instance, you can create a custom widget through the Custom Widget option by selecting your desired display options, the chart type, time frame, filter criteria, and the incident info to show when drilling down. Click Save when finished, and your dashboard will update with your chosen widgets. KPI reports are another key Cloud SOAR feature for processing and exporting incident data for organizational use, which can aggregate multiple incidents according to the configured selection criteria. Access the reporting feature by clicking on KPI reports in the upper right corner. Select the type of output set that you want to create, as well as a description and a title. Customize your report by selecting the appropriate time range and filter options for selected data. You can also customize the data displayed in the report by enabling, disabling, or rearranging data fields. When finished, click Save to create the KPI report output set as a template. Then click Generate to run and download the report using your selected settings. We hope this video has helped you understand how to configure dashboards and reports in Cloud SOAR. Thanks for watching.